Realização Grand Opening Ceremony and Semen Lafaek Launch Event, whose CNBM WILCO Limited Timor-Leste brands, halau ia salão GL War, área branca dele quarta-feira semana ne. Counselor of the Chinese Embassy in Timor-Leste, Zhao Suo-Cheng, li usi discurso congratula CNBM WILCO Limited Timor-Leste brands pa passo positivo ida, onde ajuda do desenvolvimento Timor-Leste em área infraestrutura no economicamente.
The Timor-Leste branch of the Chinese National Building Material Investment Company, and I really appreciate Timor-Leste government's support and help during the whole preparation progress. Parent company is one of the main Chinese company in building material and the furniture sector. It has been deeply rooted in the international market for a long time. The products it shares are rich, varied, reliable in quality, and high competitive. Thus, it has won wide praise and reputation from various countries. The opening and operation of the vehicle in Timor-Leste will provide Timor-Leste with the high quality and low cost cement and other building materials, which will promote the infrastructure development in Timor-Leste. It will
E fatem anessa segundo vice-primeiro-ministro, ministro coordenador de assuntos sociais, no ministro de desenvolvimento rural e habitação comunitária, Mariano Sanami Sabino Hatete, estabelecimento Brands Fond Semen Lafaek ne, bela foi oportunidade de fazer serviço para Timor-Leste, na introdução inovativa para material construção estratégico indústria local.
Opening is more than just a business milestone, but it marks the beginning of the new chapter Timor-Leste development. In the demonstrate WILCO confidence and commitment to the future of the Timor-Leste. By establishing this branch, WILCO is creating job opportunity, introduction innovative and sustainable building materials and strengthening local industry. The launch of the Semen Lafaek addressed the critical need to high-quality cement products that are essential to advising our infrastructure, housing, and commercial projects.
General Manager of Overseas Business Department of CNBM Investment Song Rui Lai Hatete, CNBM da companhia DNB produz material indústria e mundo global desde tinang hatnulo liuba.
WILCO is a wholly owned subsidiary and the China National Building Materials Group, which called CNBM in short. CNBM is the only state-owned enterprise in China's building materials industry and has been listed on the Fortune Global 500 for 14 years, ranking 307th in 2024. As a pioneer of China's going global strategy, CNBM actively participates in global infrastructure development, establishing a robust international presence. Our group operates 196 overseas entities in 76 countries, has invested in 45 fixed assets and equity acquisition projects across 27 countries, and completed nearly 500 high-quality cement and glass engineering projects globally.
Brand Semen Lafaek e vontade diagno promete se produz semente de qualidade, inclui material construção, para sustentabilidade indústria Timor-Leste. Participa em cerimônia vice-primeiro-ministro, vice-ministro comércio e indústria, representative of Chinese enterprises, autoridade de segurança PNTL, no convidados relevantes.